Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox Error Code 2 on mobile. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So this Error Code 2 on mobile usually happens because your device can't successfully connect to the game servers, which is typically caused by an unstable or weak internet connection, blocked or restricted network settings, outdated or corrupted app files, temporary server-side issues, or it may also occur if you're using a VPN or proxy. So if your device software or Roblox app isn't up to date, or the specific game servers you're trying to join is overloaded or temporarily unavailable, in short, it's a connection failure between your device and Roblox. But that's okay, there's a few different ways how we can try and fix it. So I'm going to start with the most common ways. So the most common way is to check your internet connection. So if you're using Wi-Fi or mobile data, switch between the both to see if the error persists. Now, if you are using Wi-Fi, try rebooting the router or moving closer to improve your signal. Poor network or packet loss often causes this kind of fail to connect error. Now, if you're using a VPN or proxy, go ahead and turn off and retry. Now, the next fix is to go ahead and clear the app cache and data. So to do this, click and hold down Roblox, click onto I. Then from here, scroll down, click on the storage, and now I want to go ahead and clear cache and clear data as well. So now what this does, this basically helps if some local files have become corrupted. Fix number 4 is to go ahead and update the application. So go ahead and click and hold down Roblox, click onto I, or go to your Player App Store. Go click onto App Details and Store, and now you need to make sure it is up to date. So it says up to date or update. Go ahead and click on update. If it says play, you've got the app's already fully up to date. Now the next fix is to check the Roblox server status, because sometimes it's not on your end, it's on their end. So you go ahead and click on either one of the top results here and see if Roblox is down. Now you want to go and scroll down, see if there's any major outages. If there is, you just got to simply wait it out.